A recent study has unveiled key developments in the global artificial intelligence sector, spotlighting not only the rapid market expansion but also gender specific usage patterns that define how users interact with AI tools. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Data from AI Tools directory aitools.xyz reports that in February 2025, the AI industry witnessed a 14.44% surge, equating to 1.52 billion new visits. This growth propelled total traffic to over 12.5 billion visits across more than 10,500 AI platforms worldwide. Among the tools, DeepSeek led in monthly growth, gaining 524.7 million new users and briefly overtaking ChatGPT, which saw 500 million new visits during the same period. This highlighted shifting user interests in emerging tools. Demographic data from the study showed a distinct gender divide. Of the 12.5 billion web visits assessed, 58.83% originated from male users and 41.17% from female users, reflecting differing AI engagement styles. Men were more likely to use AI for technical and automation based tasks, such as coding, image generation, and chatbot development. Women, on the other hand, gravitated towards creative and linguistic applications, preferring platforms focused on grammar, writing, and content creation. Another notable spike came from Grok, which saw a 4,191% increase, climbing to 51.5 million visits in February and continuing to 190 million in March, driven by the release of Grok 3. DeepSeek also recorded strong momentum with an 83.4% growth in active users, reaching 61.81 million, all due to DeepSeek R1. Despite the rising competition, ChatGPT held its ground as the leading AI tool with a 43.16% market share and an impressive 5.2 billion visits, averaging 173.3 million daily users, underscoring its dominant presence in the global AI ecosystem. Let's look into today's headlines. Microsoft beats Apple to become the world's most valuable company. President Donald Trump's tariffs on China that went into effect from Wednesday at a rate of 104% sparked a retaliatory 84% tariff from China on American goods. The move caused Apple's market value to plummet by 23% across the past 4 trading days, erasing over $700 billion. This also caused Apple to lose its status as the most valuable company in the world to Microsoft. While Apple was worth $2.59 trillion, Microsoft was valued at $2.635 trillion. Amid the new US tariffs, Intel enforces strict compliance for steel and aluminum suppliers. With the US now imposing new 25% tariff on aluminum and stainless steel that are of importance to the semiconductor industry, Intel is introducing new compliance policies for its suppliers. Since Intel uses quite a lot of aluminum and stainless steel, the company has implemented strict requirements for suppliers shipping products containing steel or aluminum into the United States due to the upgraded US tariff regulations. IBM plans to set up a software lab in Lucknow. IBM has announced its plans to establish a state-of-the-art software lab in Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh focused on advancing generative AI and agentic AI technologies. IBM India Software Labs, which happens to be one of the largest software development centers for IBM, plays a crucial role in the development of generative AI, data and AI automation, cybersecurity, and sustainability solutions. This lab will focus on developing AI-powered solutions using large language models and small language models. Google announces Ironwood, its 7th generation AI chip. Alphabet has unveiled its 7th generation artificial intelligence chip named Ironwood, which the company said is designed to speed the performance of AI applications. The Ironwood processor is designed to address the type of data crunching needed when users query software such as OpenAI's ChatGPT. Known in the tech industry as inference computing, the chips perform rapid calculations to render answers in a chatbot or generate other types of responses. Elon Musk's AI tool, Super Grok, is now free for students. Billionaire Elon Musk's AI company xAI is now offering Super Grok, the premium version of its powerful Grok 3 chatbot, free for students for 2 months. The students will just need a .edu email to sign up at grok.com. Super Grok is the superior version of Grok, built for serious users like students, researchers, and professionals. For starters, it comes with higher usage limits and powerful features. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.